Dash Mini Maker Electric Round Griddle. Lisa has to get up early every day to attend the design course, and after she has to go back home to go to her part-time job. Since Lisa doesn't have much time to cook, she needs something quick to eat in the meantime. That's a job for the Dash Mini Maker Electric Round Griddle. Prepare pancakes, individual egg portions, biscuits, waffles, grilled cheese very fast. Compact and light, with a 31-inch cable. You can have it wherever you want and take it wherever you want. Fast and easy. Plug it in and wait for the light indicator goes off. Get uniform cooking in a matter of minutes. This is the perfect gift for your best friend, a wedding, or a new home. The Dash Mini Maker Electric Round Griddle also includes a recipe book. Check out the description box below for more information on the Dash Mini Maker Electric Round Griddle and other similar products.